Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will show you how to remove and replace radiator fan on Dodge Magnum or Dodge Charger, guys. Stay with us. We're gonna show you now how to do it. That's the fan right here. And some of them have a single, some of them have a double fan, depending what you got, the year and stuff. But stay with us, the procedure should be the same for all and the whole generation. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Okay, so we've been doing quite a few repairs. We've been replacing engines on those Dodge Charger and Magnum, guys. So quite a few videos on our channel for that. So now the fan, it has two screws that we need to remove with a 10mm. Okay, one is right there located, so you need to go ahead and remove that one, and we will need to actually get a probably a deep socket. It will be more convenient, and you need to pull, okay, like that, so it's at least out of the way and we can reach the board. You can see where the board is. So if you need any other videos for that though, check it out, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. We have videos that apply to any car as well, so we can help you fix your car, save money. Also, if you want a little bit more fun videos, check out World Mechanics, our first channel. It's growing really fast. Okay, it's in the description. We got this one out now, and now it's important to get it out right. Okay, it pulls up and it comes out, and then it goes down this part, and we need to pull it out of there first. It comes on in one angle. It's a little bit of a mess how it comes out. Okay, then on this side a little bit, and now we need to go around the hoses here. Okay, like that. Still cut a little bit here, and the fan is out, guys. You can see how simple it is, not complicated at all. So that's how you guys remove and replace a fan on Dodge Charger, Magnum or Chrysler 300. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow that channel together and help more people. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.